The Orion HX Deluxe Nonlinear Junction Detector includes antenna heads from the Orion 2.4HX and the Orion 900HX. These interchangeable antenna heads are stored in a single hard shell case for easy transportation of both antennas, preparing you for any situation. The 2.4 GHz antenna is better suited for detecting modern, surface-mounted circuitry in normal office environments. The longer wavelength of the 900 MHz antenna excels at detecting older, less refined circuitry, while also penetrating dense materials such as brick, concrete, or soil. Changing antenna heads is done by loosening two thumb screws, removing one head and attaching the other, and then re-tightening the screws. The base, pole, and touchscreen controller automatically recognize the antenna head attached and displays the corresponding charts and responses. The transmit power, second harmonic, and third harmonic responses are displayed in your line of sight. In fact, the Orion HX Deluxe has all of the same features and accessories that come with the Orion 2.4HX and the Orion 900HX. But the Orion HX Deluxe is the only Nljd that provides this level of versatility. If you need an all-in-one nonlinear junction detector, check out the Orion HX Deluxe. If you have questions about this or any of REI's other Tscm equipment, call us